Did you know that many yoga teachers are earning more than many 9 to 5 professionals teaching what they love? Today I'm here to share you 3 powerful secrets that will help you convert your passion for yoga into a highly rewarding career. Hello, this is Anubhav Seth, a yoga therapist with 10 years of teaching experience, and I've trained more than 10,000 students till now. First secret is get yourself certification right. Most people are going to skip this, but getting the official Ministry of Ayush certification matters a lot, because when you are certified in Ayush, it opens up doors to global teaching, working in wellness studios, and even launching your own online classes. Secret number 2 is teaching beyond the mat. See, yoga is not about just teaching asanas. You can specialize yourself in corporate yoga, prenatal yoga, postnatal yoga, or you can even launch your own stress management program. These are in high demand because people are ready to pay you premium fees for your expert guidance. Third is go digital, go global. You no longer need to have a studio or a big setup because thousands of students are learning online. If you know how to structure your knowledge and present your knowledge in a correct way, you can reach to thousands and you can help people achieve their fitness goals. If this excites you and you're serious about making a real career in yoga, then I invite you for a free live orientation where we share about step by step how to get certified under the Ministry of Ayush, how to set up your online systems, how to scale up your yoga career. Click on the link below and register for the same. I'll see you live. Let's convert your passion into your purpose. Thank you.